typical Saturday morning. We just finished our first week of internship here in Singapore.
We did.
And we're so ready to relax.
Yes. I don't know if this hike will be too relaxing though.
Yeah.
After the hike.
But at least like mentally relaxing.
I feel it mentally.
Yeah. So we're going to a TreeTop Walk or
Macritchie TreeTop
hike thing. Yeah. So we're on the bus right now.
Yes. The first week of internships for me at least.
What do you think?
I really enjoyed it. I feel like I'm doing a law internship, so I'm a legal intern, and it's been amazing gaining so much experience, and the people are nice. I'm enjoying that.
I'm glad. It is a little bit stressful just because the other interns were already here for like 3 or 4 weeks, so we're just jumping into the middle of things, but we're definitely learning a lot. So the bus will take about 30 to 40 minutes to get there. So yeah, we'll see.
Should be arriving there soon.
Okay, so we got off the bus and I think we went over like one stop or two. So
I think it was like more.
yeah, maybe more.
A lot more.
I'm not sure, so we have to go back. Oh, I'm jaywalking. Shoot. Don't do it. I think we got to the right place. Here's the sign.
It's right there.
Oh yeah, we're doing the drink one because it's the easiest. Yeah, we're not gonna make it hard on ourselves. We're on the rocks. This is a lot more like real forest than I thought it would be. There's a small durian. I don't know if there's a durian tree around here. There's more. There's monkeys. There's more. Do you see it? Dang. Okay, I'm kind of scared of the monkeys. See it? On the trail. Oh my god, let's go! Let's go!
They're attacking.
Oh! Hi, monkeys! Oh, those are the monkeys that ate it. The fruits. He's shy. He's just eating. Yeah, that's kind of scary. Yeah, I don't think he's very friendly. You need someone to... We're halfway there to the TreeTop Walk. Someone to wipe away those tears you cried. Well, we're finally here at the TreeTop Walk. See the stairs and the monkeys. Wow. Someone to hold beneath the dark. Oh, there's a lake.
Oh wow, that's the reservoir.
Oh yeah.
We're on the TreeTop Walk.
Yeah.
And it's kind of scary.
Yeah. It is kind of shaky, but I'm not too scared because there's like fences.
I tried us Singapore's engineering. They have some of the best engineers in the world.
Yeah, so I don't
Yeah.
think the bridge will fall or anything.
It was rocky.
Are you scared?
I am. Why is it rocky?
Someone to love.
We are here being tourists at the TreeTop Walk, which is almost done, right over there.
Yeah.
And it's hot, and as you can see, I'm sweating my face off. And it's beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, there's a door.
Yeah. There's more.
Oh, there's more. Okay. That's the end.
There's the end. Okay. We're trying to get the shortcut back and not spend 4 more hours hiking.
Yeah. Do you think we should continue walking like
Or
this
turn
way?
back.
Yeah.
I kind of thought about turning back and going the way that we came from.
Okay, so we decided to walk back the same route that we came
I don't think
from.
we decided, we were forced to.
Okay, yeah. But then another person told us that we can't go back. That bridge we crossed is a one-way bridge, so now we have to take the make a circle to go back.
We knew it was a one-way bridge, but we kind of wanted to cross it back anyways.
Oh, I didn't know it was a...
Oh, I knew.
Oh, okay. We've been walking like 40 minutes, I think, and we're on our way back. It's so hot, so we're really sweaty. But I think we're like 1 kilometer away from where we started, so hopefully we get there soon. Wow, this tree is amazing. Okay, we made it out of the TreeTop Walk. Yeah, finally.
It took a lot of sweat,
Uh-huh.
a lot of pain walking,
Yeah.
climbing. It was brutal,
Yeah.
but we saw monkeys.
And the TreeTop Walk was really beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's just a lot of walking, and I don't know, the animals are kind of scary because I don't know if they bite or not. And I was worried that there would be snakes or spiders, things like that.
There's definitely a lot of animals.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, they're scary.
Yeah. Alright, so that's it for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.
Bye. See you next time.